What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As the thumbnail suggests, we just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I can't tell you how thankful I am to each and every one of you guys for riding along with me. This has been such a cool adventure, and the YouTube community is just so tight, man. I've met cool people just through YouTube and communicating about, you know, how we're doing our videos or supporting each other, and just that by itself has made this just so much more fun than I thought it could ever be. Really, like my dude Southern Hogs out there in Mississippi, man. That dude is doing some awesome stuff on his channel. We both started around the same time, and I've mentioned him quite a few times before, but you guys make sure to go check out Southern Hogs. This dude is awesome. And I just have to say, if you're ever scared to start doing YouTube for whatever reason, but you really want to do it, just do it. I'm telling you, there's more support out there. You're gonna get the shitty comments here and there, but who cares, man? What I like to focus on are all the other awesome people, the people in the YouTube community itself, but also the good people in the motorcycle community. So focusing on that will keep you going forward and keep you putting out that weekly content and excited to put out the next video. And really, to me, doing this channel, ATCJeremy Rides, has really just pushed me to ride even more than I already do, even when I'm not quite feeling it, you know. So anyways, I'm out here looking for my buddy Curtis. We're supposed to get some cool shots with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. He got a mount to go on the back of his fender, like a suction mount, so we're gonna check that out, maybe pop the drone up, I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to keep this video short and sweet and just basically say thank you to all you guys for riding with me, you know. Thank you guys for the support, the comments, even the haters, man. I appreciate it. So anyways, yeah, I might have some cool shots in here after this. I really don't know what the day's gonna bring. I fucking need gas, so we'll probably grab some gas and then yeah, hopefully get some cool shots, and you guys let me know what you think. Anyways, congrats in the comments, man. This is awesome. 1,000 subscribers. All right, we'll see you guys again at 2,000. Let's go. All right, guys, later. Woo! Look at the new bike, baby. Oh, that's a nice vest, dude.
What's up?
That's nice. I've never seen that before.
I've had it for years. I just never wear it.
That's sick. The birthday boy. Hey, what's the plan? Oh, I haven't even seen this thing yet.
Curtis has his camera on the back of his bike. We're just gonna follow him and it'll track us. So if we like pass him, it'll like, the camera will follow us and shit. Like,
hell yeah.
Harley Davidson commercial shit.
Harley Davidson.
Like,
dude, that is nice. They got the Oleans on there, baby. Do you do the front too?
No, not yet.
This is a nice setup, dude.
Cars are way too high, dude.
Too high?
Throw a leg over.
Oh my god, this is, dude, this is amazing. Bro, this is so nice. These are too high? This is nice. Damn. Hey, is it lifted?
Yeah.
Damn.
2 in the front and 2 in the rear.
Really?
Yeah.
2 in the front, 2 in the rear. That thing's dope. Sick. Let's check out your new whip. When did you pick this up?
It's Courtney's.
Oh, is it? Okay. Because I thought you said you were going to go get one.
I want it. Yeah. I'm just going to wait until later in the summer.
Yeah.
Because I'm getting ready to move.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, and I want one of these.
Oh, really? Lowrider? Yeah, it's the best bike.
So I'd rather save up a little more and get one of these.
It won't even fire over. It won't even let me do anything. It's saying that I have a code that says that there's no signal to the right hand control.
What the fuck? You haven't even messed with it. I thought you only messed with this one for your pod lights.
I unplugged everything, so.
Oh, really?
It fired when I came here.
That's weird.
And then as soon as I started it, I gave a code and I looked at it. I turned it on. I reset the code.
Nothing.
Went away and then back. But it won't let me.
You want to go ride straight home real quick?
Yeah.
Does he want to go straight home real quick while the thing's still running?
No, I just say don't ever turn it off.
There, that's smart too. Let's fucking go. Oh, hey, where are we gonna go? Did he say? Just right here.
Hanging out right here on the
Dude,
road.
all right, I'm gonna do one with you guys and then I'm gonna pop the drone up.
Okay, cool.
And that's a wrap, man. Thank you guys for joining us.